I think this is a very long movie. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is a pretty long movie. I think we'll take another day.
3 hour, 3 hour,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Let us
Yes.
discuss. What did you understand today? A lot of things happened. Like, now you tell me what happened. The moment you started watching the movie, क्या उसके बाद क्या हुआ था? Major जो parts था वो बताइए हमको. Can somebody discuss? Yes, Akriti, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. From the time when we started to watch this movie, Ajay asked for some money to start his own business.
Can you be a
But
little
then-
louder? Can you be loud? Hello?
Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. So from the moment we started watching this movie, Ajay asked for some money from his dad, but he actually denied to give it to him because he thought he should earn it and would just ask for money. Because of that reason, they had a kind of war between them, and then Rajesh took advantage of that fight. Afterwards, Rajesh actually took advantage of the whole industry of Vijay Kapoor's, and then he gave him great loss in the industry and market share companies. So it was all based on that.
Okay, very good. What was the state of the other person who was a cheater? What was his name?
His name was Rajesh.
Rajesh.
Yeah, I forget the name.
Rajesh.
Yeah.
Rajesh.
Rajesh, ma'am.
What happened to him? Somebody can tell me? Hello? Yeah. Anybody? What happened to him? Hello? उसके साथ क्या हुआ? मतलब उसने क्या किया था? What had he done?
मैम जो प्रॉपर्टी का पेपर था ना मैम, वो सब उस पे साइन करवा लिया और अपने नाम पे ले लिया था. और मैम उससे ना मैम वो लोन उठा के और
Ma'am, he betrayed
Yes, he betrayed.
and
he had come to the place, his house, for a purpose. एक वजह से वो आया था, and then he was trying to be filthy rich. एक उसने word use किया है, filthy rich. क्या मतलब होता है इसका? What does it mean? Filthy, Filthy. Filthy. Filthy means dirty.
dirty, ganda.
हाँ, लेकिन filthy
फालतू
rich
नशे
बोलते
भी.
हैं तो क्या मतलब होता है?
धोखा देना.
नहीं. अगर वो बोला
Ma'am,
कि I want you to be filthy rich.
मतलब मुझे
Earning money
गंदा
through
भी
bad
बनना.
habits.
Yes, Akriti?
Earning money through bad activities and not earning it through honesty.
No, not really, Akriti. Not really. If somebody says he is filthy rich, it means he has
मतलब
too
वो
much of money, abundance of money, splurging in money, more than enough, like stinking rich भी बोलते हैं उसको. इतना ज़्यादा कि गंदा फीलिंग होता है कि how can somebody be so rich? So
Ma'am,
if somebody is
you-
filthy rich, he is extremely rich. He lives in abundance. He has abundance. उसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है. Can you name anybody who is filthy rich? Hello? क्या किसी को जानते हैं आप? Somebody who is filthy rich?
Nirav Modi.
All right. Now, why did Ajay had to leave his wife to her in-laws, to her parents' place? Why was she
He wanted
angry?
to support his
Why
parents.
was she angry? Like, why was she upset?
Because they did not support him when actually he needed the help, and the full family left him alone. So that's why she was angry.
And And the others, why your cameras are switched off? Keshav Kumar, Abhishek Kumar. In your class, you need to keep your cameras on. अभी तो बात करेंगे आपसे. So now that things have straightened out, there are a lot of phrases which Amitabh Bachchan has used in this. A lot of phrases, and a lot of like in dire state. We are in dire state. What does it mean in dire state? DIRESTRAIT. Have you been writing the vocabulary? Hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. There was one word used, one phrase used, dire state. Did anybody write that down? DIRESTRAIT. DIRE, dire, STRAITS, dire straits.
Repeat, ma'am.
DIRE, dire, STRAITS, dire straits. It means in a very bad or difficult situation. When the best team player is out of your team, the team found itself in dire state. जब आप क्रिकेट खेलते हैं और अच्छे खेलते हैं, बेस्ट जो बैट्समैन है वो आउट हो जाते हैं तो क्या होता है? Like what had happened to Amitabh Bachchan's property. So he was in a very difficult situation, very bad condition, dire states. So DIRESTRAITS, straits. Any word which you have written down?
And what's the meaning of lunatics?
Lunatic, eccentric, all these words are of the same family. Lunatic, it means somebody who is not normal. Lunatic.
Ma'am, meaning of a stumble.
A person who behaves in a very different way, in a very stupid way, or sometimes even in a very dangerous way. Bewakoof.
Excuse you, ma'am.
Yeah. LUNATIC, lunatic. Someone who behaves abnormally silly, बेवकूफों की तरह behave करता है, और he is so silly, he is so stupid that he takes up dangerous tasks. तो बेवकूफी में वो he tries to be very smart, but he turns out to be very stupid. And there's another word of lunatic, somebody who is mentally ill, mentally unstable. तो वही करता है ना, जो नहीं करना चाहिए वो करेगा. बाकी लोग समझेंगे वो stupid है, but actually he is mentally unstable. He is mentally ill, कहीं दिमाग कुछ problem है. Who calls lunatic in this movie? किसने किसको कहा lunatic?
Ajay told Rajesh.
Okay. Lunatic. Any of the words that you've come across? आज नहीं लिखा, आज बहुत सारे वर्ड्स थे.
Also, what is the meaning of deceive?
Deceive.
धोखा देना.
हाँ, धोखा देना.
मैम apologize
Cheat,
मतलब
somebody, no, not apologize. To deceive means to cheat someone.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of stumbling?
किसने पूछा apologize क्या? Apologize?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
माफी मांगना.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of stumbling?
1 minute. You must go and apologize. तुम जा करके माफी मांगो. हाँ बताओ.
Ma'am, stumbling. What is the meaning of stumbling?
Stumbling.
Yes, ma'am.
Stumbling. आप चलते चलते ठोकर लग जाती है पैर से, आप stumble कर जाते हैं.
Okay.
He stumbled and fell down.
Ma'am, what is meaning of casino?
First of all, you write down the meaning which I'm giving you. Stumbling.
Ma'am, what the meaning of bride?
What is the meaning of?
Bride?
ब्राइड मतलब दुल्हन.
Bribe.
Yes, ma'am.
BRIBE.
रिश्वत लेना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Bribery. मतलब घूसखोरी.
Yes.
Bribe.
Ma'am, what is the
Bribe
meaning
is a
of
verb and
treasure?
bribery is a noun. Yes.
What is meaning of treasure?
Of what?
खजाना. ट्रेजर पूछ रहा है मैम. खजाना.
Treasure. Treasure. Treasure.
खजाना.
Treasure. खजाना.
मैम कैसीनो
Excuse
का
me, ma'am.
मतलब क्या होता है?
Hello.
मैम कैसीनो का मतलब क्या होता है?
Casino. What is a
Yes, ma'am.
casino?
खेलने का जगह मैम जहाँ मतलब गैम्बलिंग होता.
ये बात जहाँ लोग बैठ के गैम्बलिंग करते हैं.
जुआ जहाँ खेलते हैं.
Casino. A place where people play games in which you can win or lose and lose money also. So casino is a place where जीतना हारना होता है. Where you bet, you lose money. जुआ खेलना. ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर आप casino is a place where you do all these things, where you gamble. So this is a pretty long movie, and
Of course.
maybe tomorrow we are going to conclude it. Right? We will be
Yeah, ma'am.
concluding this tomorrow. And how many vocabulary you have noted down? इस मूवी से कितने vocabulary आपको मिले हैं? क्या कुछ सीखा आपने? What is the outcome? What is your takeaway from this movie? अब तो movie almost end पे है. Now we know what will happen. थोड़ी मार पिटाई होगी. Ajay will be thrashing Rajesh. तो typical Indian Bollywood movie में जो होता है वही तो होना है ना. Chali, what is your takeaway from these movies? Entertainment is fine.
Ma'am,
Hello?
when father gets the problem, so you should stand by him.
And for parents, they should trust their children.
Of course.
ये भी कुछ करेगा, ऐसा नहीं कुछ नहीं करेगा, ऐसा नहीं. लेकिन parents कभी-कभी children को trust नहीं करते. So in this movie, we saw that the son has proved himself right, and how he was very angry in the very beginning, and he wanted to throw him out, but that was such a well planned. That was such a good decision, and the father did not understand this, but no. There are a lot of movies since every day we are having movies and documentaries, so, with only one objective that will help you with your listening skills. You will listen to a lot of things, see how it is spoken, under what situation it is spoken. There were many idioms and phrases used in this movie, and that is why the English movies are very important for you to listen to. Otherwise, we are going to show you English movies also. Like we are planning out some Indian Bollywood movies dubbed in English, or some English movies also, which you can see and learn. But the problem is that you may not understand their accent. So that is the whole problem. But anyways, I think I should introduce you to some of the movies. Some movies which can be interesting. Anybody else has anything to say? All right, we'll meet again tomorrow then. Take care. Good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good night, ma'am.
Be safe, guys.
Good night.